So just to give you a quick heads up, I've only been doing affiliate marketing for about 5 weeks and I have made 5 sales so far. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa. Today we're going to be talking about Legendary Marketer. I'm going to be reviewing the first 3 days of this 15-day training course. I'm super excited to jump in and talk about it because it is buzzing and trendy right now, and I'm going to just keep it real with you whether or not it's worth the $7. A little background about myself: I have 0 affiliate marketing experience. I went to college, I've worked in corporate America for years, and most of my background is in human resources. So yes, it is in business, but in a different focus altogether. I have taken marketing classes throughout college, so I just wanted to see whether or not this course would be touching on anything traditional that I've learned throughout the years. I wanted to see if this was all fluff, and honestly at $7, I didn't feel like if it was trash, I would be losing out on too much. On the other hand, if it's really good, $7 is not too bad to start. So just to give you a quick heads up, I've only been doing affiliate marketing for about 5 weeks and I have made 5 sales so far. Some people have been doing this for 7, 8, 9 months with 0 commissions, and that just has not been my experience. So if you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing or digital freelance marketing, you can go ahead and look in my description box below. I have a free ebook. Also, you can join me and my husband's private Facebook group where we will help support you through your first few steps, your first few weeks and months in affiliate marketing and freelance digital marketing. So without further ado, here's my review on the first 3 days of Legendary Marketer and my biggest takeaways. So day 1 is going to be about 52 minutes long, and if you've ever watched anybody's starter kit, freelance digital marketing videos, they always tell you dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours a day on getting your business started online. So this kind of falls within that time range, with still giving you at least an hour to actually put content together or post things or get other things together. From my experience of watching this video, it definitely was engaging. It wasn't boring. I wasn't like, oh my gosh, this is all fluff content. I didn't feel like he was talking too much about himself or his own successes, or it wasn't filled with a whole bunch of testimonials. It was actually valid content. After each video, there are assignments that you have to complete or that you should complete before moving on to the next video. And in my opinion, I think that if you follow the formula and the training with the assignments the way that it's laid out, there's no reason for you not to be successful. The assignments after the first video include completing a quiz where they can assess where you are in your marketing skills. So this is perfect because even if you're not a beginner, say if you've been doing this for a year, you may know more than somebody who just picked this up a few days ago. So instead of them just training everybody the same or giving them the same assistance, they're actually going to tailor your experience to your level of expertise in marketing. Then they're going to schedule a free one-on-one business call with you and someone who will help you through your quiz results. So the good thing about this is that as someone who has 0 experience in freelance digital marketing, having that conversation was super helpful. They were trying to understand what my motivations were behind starting this journey and asking me more in-depth questions to really get a feel for my understanding of marketing. Another assignment is to log into their live sessions where they answer questions in real time about marketing in any sense. And it can be beginner friendly questions, it can be advanced questions. They give that option to you free of charge, so it's not like you have to pay to be a part of an extra group to get support. They run this show Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lastly, they have this assignment, which is also optional, but a 20-minute video showing you how to identify scams in digital marketing and affiliate marketing online. I love this because as someone who's brand new, you always see those TikToks, those Instagram reels, and those Facebook posts that are just like, affiliate marketing is a scam, digital freelance marketing is a scam, and you start to really wonder, if there's so many people saying this, Is it true? And so obviously there's going to be scammers in every industry. Like, no industry is safe from people who are trying to screw you over. And I love this program because they actually help you to identify what it looks like to be scammed, or what a scam looks like in this space. And as somebody who has no experience at all, that's a leg up for me, because now I don't have to worry about whether or not the affiliate programs that I'm signing up with, or the companies that I'm signing up with to do work for, if they're actually going to screw me over or not. Day 2 is a 46-minute video. And this is where he gets into the nitty gritty about the core 4. So what I love about this particular video is that it goes in depth into online business models. If you've ever worked in business or gone to college for business or anything like that, you've learned a lot about traditional business models. I've worked in healthcare for the past 6 years. I know a lot about different business models in the healthcare industry, whether it's medical devices and equipment, whether it's a pharmaceutical company, whether it's a hospital system, whether it's home care, right? I know the difference between those business models and how they operate. In this training, you're gonna learn about the different business models in the online space. And I love that, because this training can be applied to different businesses, different industries, and different products and services. So even if you are an entrepreneur trying to promote your own product or service, you can apply this knowledge and these different forms of business models to your own product or service. So for day 2, there aren't a lot of assignments, because they're pretty much the same assignments from day 1. So if you have not finished those assignments from day 1, you have the opportunity to get them done on day 2. Day 3 is a 42-minute video. And this video is giving you practical steps on how to actually start a business online. And I love that, because it's not theory, it's not theoretical, it is practical steps on what you need to do, what kind of content you need to create, what kind of platforms you should be using, how to build out your opt-in page, your landing page, what is a funnel, what are auto responders. So this video is actually giving you the practical steps and the how to get things done. There's even visuals and tutorials on how to do it. So you can pause the video and go ahead and do the steps, and then play the video and continue to learn and do the steps at the same time. So for day 3's assignments, it's literally the same as day 1's. So they give you time to actually complete these assignments. However, if you don't complete these assignments by now, you won't be able to move forward to day 4. I like the fact that they kind of force you to do the steps, because a lot of people will say, oh, this doesn't work, when they don't follow the full instructions of a training. Of course, you're not going to get the same results as someone who completed all of the steps and followed all of the training instructions, versus someone who did it halfway or only watched videos and never applied anything that was taught to them. You learn more by doing than you learn by watching or observing. On this particular day of training, they give you bonus assignments. So if you're someone who's not familiar with funnels at all, there is additional content attached to this training, where it's like an hour video, and I think the other one is probably like 40 minutes. Again, going over in detail how to create funnels. And they also give you detailed instructions on how to build out specific funnels for the different business models online. So I think it's great. I think it's in depth. I think it gives you all the tools you need to be successful. And here are my biggest takeaways from the first 3 days of training. My first biggest takeaway is the core 4. The core 4 are the different business models that you can do online. The first being affiliate marketing. The second being digital products. Some more examples of digital products are ebooks, photography, music, web elements, research data, tutorial and guides, software programs, apps, podcasts, printable items, templates and calculators, patterns and graphic arts bundles, and even coaching packages. Another business model online is coaching and consulting. So even if I look back 2 years ago at my previous videos for notary work and mobile notary work, right? A lot of people who were actually doing mobile notary work, they were also offering mentorships and ebooks and things like that. So they were pushing digital products without really even realizing that that's what they were doing. And most of their money actually came from the digital products more than it did the notary assignments. And the last online business model is referred to as events and masterminds. This is when you actually promote an in-person event online, and because of your following, because of all of the value that you've given with all of your other business models or products, people are willing to come and see you in person. And these are kind of like even known as meet and greets for influencers and celebrities. So these are not things that are new and sketchy. These are things that we actually interact with on a daily basis, and we don't know the business acumen behind it. So my second biggest takeaway is how to find the right affiliate program. It's basically 5 questions, right? And depending on the answers to these questions, you can filter out good or bad affiliate programs to get started with. So say your niche is pets. You love pets, you have pets, and you want to promote products and services surrounding pets. So like pet food, pet insurance, pet toys, pet classes, grooming, blah, blah, blah. The first thing you're going to want to know is if the product is valuable, yes or no. The second thing you want to know is what is the profit margin? How much are you going to make per lead or per sale of promoting this product or service? Is that worth it? The third thing you want to know is if you're going to get paid long term or short term. What does that mean? Are you only going to get paid a flat fee up front, even if they upsell this customer that you brought to them later down the line? Or are they going to pay you extra for all of the future purchases that this person makes? You definitely want to go for a long-term payout. 4, do they provide marketing materials for you to use? And is there a sales team available to assist customers with any issues? So are they going to give you logos? Are they going to give you testimonials? Are they going to give you videos and content to create your own stuff with? Or are you doing everything from scratch? And lastly, does this company, this product, this service, does it have a good reputation? When you're attaching your name and your face to a company, a service, a brand, a product, you want to make sure that they don't have any scandals, because then as soon as you start promoting that, you're going to be associated with somebody who's sketchy and who's a scammer. You definitely don't want to mess up your own brand by working with the wrong people. So those are my biggest takeaways. Those 2 things are major, and I've learned them in the first 3 days of this training, and it took less than 3 hours of training to get all of that. So if you found any of this helpful or useful, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this information. If you're super scared or nervous or you don't want to get scammed, I totally understand. That's why I'm letting you know, me and my husband, we run a private Facebook group so we can just answer all of your questions and help you out. It's free. My ebook is free. What also makes me confident about all of this is that my husband's been working in digital marketing for the past 10 years, independently and in a corporate space. So thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.